Right, I'm back out in the garden and I'm going to be preparing one of the flower beds to the right where the poppies are. But I just thought I'd show you that damn fence that the lads have put up. Can you spot the deliberate I don't know if it's a deliberate mistake. The verticals go at an angle, but we can't do it about that because that's the neighbour's fence. She put that up. But I'm looking at the horizontals. They should be lower than the posts. And then the next ones should be lower than the second post and vice. And then here, those should be lower than that post. But he's put them much higher than the actual posts. And now I've got a massive gap underneath each fence. I can't live with that. They're all going to have to bloody come off and all be lowered and put back on again, but I don't have a sodding drill. Oh, I'm so mad. I can't. I'm going to have to get round to it one day, do that, but yeah, I'm not happy with that at all. I paid him a lot of money to do this fence and clear this garden, and that's just been rushed and a total hash. But anyway, I'm going to get on with doing I've got my plants, I've got some plants, and I'm going to get on with doing the first bit of that down there. Wow. Despite being absolutely doped up to the eyeballs in painkillers, that is still backbreaking. But that soil, I don't know what the lady's been growing in that in the pit who lived here before, but that soil is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful soil. There's loads of fertiliser little things. Oh, it's just lovely. So right, I'm going to get on with some planting. Let's get some plants put in. Actually, first I need to water them all. Right, so far I've got lupins, foxgloves, dalthiniums and poppies, and wisteria and a Montana clematis. I'm not sure where I'm putting that yet. I need hollyhocks and I need lots more of the cottagey garden plants. Look at this. this is filling up quicker than I thought it was. Right, hopefully I've done that right, I don't know. I put the delphiniums right at the back and along this side here. Then I've only got one foxglove, I need to find some more. I got them from Asda actually, they were £6 for a plant in that pot for 3 plants in there, £6. But they only had one left, so I need to go get some more. Then I've got the, whatever those other things are, can't remember. And then I've got potensiums. Hopefully, I've still got gaps, so I need to get other plants. Hopefully I've put them kind of in the right places. Yeah.